Hello, Facebook Live. Hi, everybody. Hi, everybody out there in the Facebook world. Hope everybody is having an awesome Monday. We are getting off of this amazing weekend that we just had. I know for us, it was absolutely gorgeous. Can't ask for nicer weather in November, that is for sure. So we had a busy weekend here at Aroma Time. Sorry that I haven't been on in a couple, actually I think the last time I was on was a week ago. So I am sorry that I have not been on. We were off Tuesday, Wednesdays, Thursday, I don't remember what happened. Friday we had someone show up with wines. We tasted some new wines. And then I don't do Saturday and Sunday, so here we are again back on Monday. So thanks everybody for watching. I appreciate it. Hello, if you're watching me live, you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. Give me a thumbs up if you're watching me. Today I just felt like something, for some reason, with the weather being so warm, I just felt like something just fun and summery and to kind of go along with the day. So thank you everybody. Hello Connie, hello Tina. I see some more people joining, so hello. So let's see. So tonight it is wing night. It's buy one get one free wings here at Aroma Time. 647-3000. They are smoked wings. You can have hot or barbecue. We are open for outside dining. The fire pit is going. We do have some inside seating as well. Our groceries are still available, so you can call and order groceries, order takeout food. That is still available as well. So thanks everybody. More and more people. Hello Chris, hello Rosie. If you're watching me live, you can put hashtag live or just drop me a comment, say hello. The more comments we get, the more people that start watching, the more audience that we get out there. So I am in the process of working on some gift I don't know if you call them baskets or gift things for the holidays. Marcus and I are working on a trip to the Finger Lakes for January. I gotta tell you, I haven't even put the price out and people are already saying, we wanna go. So we'll go a weekend in January and then we'll have a snow date the first weekend in February. And you can travel with Marcus and I. We'll meet up there in Watkins Glen. On Friday night, we'll have dinner all together. Obviously, social distance, however we need to do it to be safe. I just know people are ready to travel, and what better place than right in our backyard, 3 hours away in the Finger Lakes. So we want to take you on a trip with us, go to wineries again that we buy from. So once you get to Watkins Glen, check into the hotel, we have dinner, and then we spend all day Saturday at wineries, and then Sunday we will go to a couple more wineries, and then you are on your own and you can head back home. So that will be really fun. The price will come out by the end of the week. We've been on the phone, making phone calls, booking hotels, things like that. So that will be cool. Let's see. So we will be visiting. I'm going to be using this. We'll be visiting the Finger Lakes Distillery on our trip. So I'm going to use their raspberry liqueur in my mojito today. So I'm going to make a lime and mint mojito. Let's see. So I start with some mint. I just break it up. I put it in the bottom of the glass. I am going to take some lime and put that in the glass as well, and a little bit of agave, so about an ounce of agave or so. And again, you can make it as sweet as you'd like. I'm going to grab my muddler and I'm going to muddle it. If you don't know what muddling is, it just means breaking it up, mixing it all together. You can kind of see that it starts to break up. You want to release the aromas from the mint, because the mint is awesome. Mint and raspberry, I'm super psyched. You're gonna put 2 ounces of a rum in there. And I'm gonna add about an ounce of raspberry liqueur. And you can make mojitos however you want. You don't have to, you can just play around with it. I play around with mojitos all the time. I make grapefruit mojitos. I make just plain mojitos, lime mojitos. There's somebody walking in the door here. Hello, how are you? Sorry, I don't have my mask on. And then mix that up. And there you go. There is a mojito. They are so refreshing. They sure are refreshing. And that's kind of day that I'm feeling like I want, because it's so warm out. Tomorrow's supposed to be warm as well, so it should be busy again tomorrow. Oh, that is nice raspberry. Cheers to everybody. I'm gonna get going. We will probably do our wine time live tomorrow. at some point, so stay tuned for that. And we are open tonight. Outside dining, inside dining, takeout, wings, buy one, get one free wings to go tonight. And that's it, 647-3000, give us a call. And thanks everybody for watching. Hello Heather, hello Cheryl, hello Calvin. Always have to do quality control, absolutely, quality control, so. Awesome, give me a thumbs up. I am going to be back at some point tomorrow or Wednesday with our Wine Time Live, and we will see everybody soon. Have a wonderful night, enjoy. I did an awesome walk this afternoon. It was great to be outside in that sun, get that vitamin D, and we'll see everybody soon. Have a good night, everybody.